What the discipline is self-discipline. It is the ability to discipline oneself for full self-awareness and self-expression. Early in life, a child needs a form model to provide an environment in which to learn to internalize behavior which is conducive to healthy self-management. The child needs to experience what will and will not be tolerated. All discipline of young children should be aimed at teaching self-discipline. If children learn only because they are told to do something, they soon become doing as they are told before. This is simply programming for incorrect thinkers and unfulfilled adults. In other words, parents need to model for them and encourage them to discipline themselves so that they have no need to rely on others for control.